This video contains only makes for how to increase personal development series for everyone who want to be part of Discover Gym. So please don't claim terms and conditions apply. Gym Daxon Nepal YouTube channel in association with Gym Daxon and Classic Story. ASGM Creations, GM Brothers Production, GM Developer presents Discover GM Division 1 Episode 4 English version. How visualization works, voice presented by GM Developer Esura GM. Understanding how visualization works helps in visualizing better. Using a technique mindlessly might not yield the desired results. How it works? The mind is made of two parts, the conscious mind and the subconscious. We think with our conscious or rational mind, and whatsoever we think repeatedly sinks into our subconscious mind or creative mind. The subconscious is like a computer. It can think on its own. It can differentiate between good and bad, between true and false. It takes on face value whatsoever is presented to it. When the conscious mind gives the subconscious the same thought over and over, it begins taking the thought seriously and sets out bringing it the existence. Our life of experience are stored in the subconscious to which it has access. It likewise has access to the universal mind for which nothing is inconceivable. The subconscious then brings about conditions in which our repetitive thought is manifested. I once read a story which demonstrates how visualization works in a spectacular though damaging way. So be careful what you ask, you might get it. A guy had a daughter who had terrible arthritis. He tried a lot of medications but without result. Whenever he would meet somebody, he used to say, "I will give my right arm to cure my daughter." Naturally, he made the remark figuratively, however, he made it again and again. Strangely, a few years later, when he was traveling in an automobile, he met with an accident in which his right arm was torn from his body. Inside a few days, his daughter's arthritis was cured. In order to understand how visualization works, we have to comprehend that the preeminent language of the subconscious is pictures. Though it translates words equally well, it's more easily shaped by pictures. That's why visualization is so effective in making your subconscious deliver to you whatever it is that you wish. It's likewise crucial to visualize only the ending result and not the procedure. This balance helps the natural healing procedures of the mind and body. Visualization utilizes imagery to alter your emotions, which alters your feelings, which then turns into physical sensation that may relieve or eliminate symptoms. The mental form of the mind is emotion, and emotion brings about feelings. The body's physical form is sensation. When we get an emotion, it brings about a feeling that turns into a physical sensation. Visualization supplies positive images for the brain that change your emotions, that produce a feeling which turns into a sensation. We have to tell the subconscious only what we wish. Leave it to the subconscious to decide the procedure of getting it. A picture is worth 1,000 words. We have all heard that saying previously. This has never been truer than in the case of utilizing visualization. Visualization is a great tool to deal with the disease and sickness in your life. Visualization or meditation method utilizes picture or imagery to balance the mind and boost our body back to total wellness. The brain is divided into two sides, our left logical side and our right creative side. Most of our life is spent utilizing the left logical side of the brain. That's how you get at your mind-body connection. Most times we are in logical left brain mode for survival. This induces an imbalance in the brain. By giving into our right brain, we access the mind-body connection, which fixes the balance of the brain and opens us up to change and replenishment. It has been demonstrated that negative emotions lower our immune systems and keeps us mild mentally. Having negative emotions delays and stops us from achieving our goals and really inhibits the brain in achieving what we wish. Positive emotion really more boost the immune system and make the brain work in a balanced mode, which is conducive to change. The process to visualization is easy. Find a calm place, define your intent, center on the breath and breathing. Start your visualization. Visualization commonly takes a few weeks to work and out to be done in the morning and at night before bedtime. But many individuals find results after the very first time. To have successful outcome, you have to be specific when you define your intent and feel, realize and believe that it is going to work. Special thanks, Classic Story, Discover Nepal, Diction Katha Knowledge of Mindfulness Community, Google.com Visualization. Detailed research and concept direction by GM Developer.
If you learn from this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our YouTube channel GM Dakshan Nepal.